Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm doing a bunch of videos today because it's so nice. I'm just walking around outside. I'm going to take you for a little walk in my woods here. What do I want to talk about on this video? Let's see. Well, I've mentioned before that I'm in my 50s. Oh man, why is the ground so, whatever, soft? I'm in my 50s. I'm 53. I can retire. I work for the state of New York. I can retire at 55 with 30 years, and I'll have 30 years when I retire, over 30 years. So I can retire at 55 and collect a pension, which I'm going to do. Full pension. All right. I live in, upstate New York. Okay. Hey, Adirondack Mountains, and I live just outside of the Adirondacks, just barely outside, like whatever, I guess you still classify it as Adirondacks. But, yeah, lived here all my life. Really beautiful. But I can't deal with the cold anymore. So, well, when I retire and after my wife retires, we were talking about maybe moving down south to South Carolina, not Florida. Don't want to deal with the floods and all that crap, Oh, look. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know, but we got a nice deer path going right up through. I don't know. Right down through. There you go. Yeah, we have like deer here. Yeah. Got a little bit of acreage here, so we see a lot of deer, turkey. We got other critters around here. We got some, you see all the time. You see possum, raccoons, porcupines, you got foxes, you got bobcats, even have a bear a couple times, seen a bear a couple times, wolves, even though there ain't supposed to be any wolves, but there are, coy dogs, coyotes, there's foxes. I don't know if I said that yet, but, and there are some cats around there. And you know what I mean by cats. They sit in mountain lions or cougars or whatever you want to call them, but they say they're not around here either, but they are. So anyway, what was I talking about? Oh yeah. Cold. I can't deal with it no more. So, I used to love it. Didn't never bother me. But, think about moving south, okay? Because of the cold. Not just that. New York taxes are high. Oh my God. I pay our homeowners, property taxes and school taxes. It's our school taxes working high, so combined and stuff. You're talking, $6,000-$7,000 on my place that we pay for taxes. Oh my God. Trees are falling down around here. Everything's getting, these pine trees are dying out. But anyway, yeah, it's expensive, out here up in New York. So people are leaving in droves. But anyway, yeah, we don't want Florida. It's too hot and too muggy, and I don't want to deal with floods and losing my house. So South Carolina it is. But yeah, New York is great, beautiful places. Beautiful place. We have nice lakes. Oh man, I gotta really get in here and cut down some of this dead stuff and clean it up, but oh, be careful. Shit's gonna fall on me. But yeah, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, we got beautiful lakes, beautiful mountains. You know, it's just too damn expensive to live here. You know. So, yeah. A few more years and I'll be able to retire. I just have to wait for my wife. She's got a little bit more time than me. But looking on doing that. I don't know. What do you guys think? You know? Any other New Yorkers out there? You know, I love my property. I have a good, good section of property. You know, some of it, some wooded. I have some of it cleared, some of it wooded, and some of it wet. There's some marshland in there. But if it wasn't for the cold and the snow, because I like to do things. And in the wintertime, I'm inside, because now it's cold and snow. I like to be outside. I like to ride motorcycles, and my motorcycles, better get out of the woods, it's getting windy. My motorcycle's put away for the winter, so I can't ride, The winter's just too long, Yeah, we may not get a lot of snow no more, but it's cold all the time. And once they salt, and then I can't ride the motorcycle. So, but I like being outside, camping and stuff. I ain't gonna be camping in the cold, doing other things, So, want to move where I can do more things outside longer. Yes, it does get cold in South Carolina, but the winter's short, okay? But I like my property and stuff. If it wasn't for the winter, wasn't for the high taxes, I'd stay here because I really like my property. Now, am I going to be able to find anything with property? I don't know. The way prices are right now, it's going to be hard to get what I got here property-wise. Anyway, I can find a house same as what I got now, but we'll see. I don't know, but just doing a little short video on can't wait to retire. Not that I want to get old, I just don't want to work no more. I want to do my own thing. But anyway, that's today's video. It's getting dark, getting windy. I think I'm gonna go inside now. Anyway, I was just the ground's got a lot of heaves in it. But anyway, you know what to do. Hit all those buttons, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and see you in the next one.